Okay, so this game is called Make It Happen, Plan a Cleanup, and it's for students in years 1 to 2, and it's all about teaching them literacy skills using things such as images and interactive concepts rather than just words. So if we click Start down in the corner.
There's lots of rubbish at Gumnut Creek. Let's plan a cleanup and picnic.
So the first step of the game is creating a invitation for a cleanup, but we kind of move through steps, and I'll show you later on, but it allows the students to kind of pick and choose their answers and then eventually find the right answer if they're not sure to start with. So we're going to make an invitation.
First, make an invitation to tell your friends about the cleanup and picnic.
Yeah, so basically now, so the students they choose the image in the top corner that best correlates with the task at hand, so the cleanup. So we'll go with this one. And then they kind of are creating an invitation. So they would put the address there, say, with the date, and then just the little note down the bottom. And then they would check it.
Well done. That's a great invitation to a cleanup.
Yeah, so then it kind of gives them applaudance for their correct answers, and if it's not correct, then it will tell them otherwise, and then they can have another go at it. So we're going to make a shopping list.
Now make a shopping list. Choose 3 things to buy for the cleanup and picnic.
I also think it's really good that the game kind of interacts with them as well, so it reads aloud the questions, because obviously it's for grade 1 and 2, so they might not be as literate in reading wise. So the shopping list, so kind of, yeah, again, picking the things that would be necessary for the task at hand. So the cleanup again, so we'll go sunscreen, rolls and gloves. Check.
Well done. Now it's time to go shopping.
Yeah, so it kind of talks to us throughout the game, giving us reassurance that we're doing the right thing.
Select places on the map where you could do your shopping.
Hardware.
Select something in this shop that is on your list.
Gloves. Yep, and it just kind of prompts us again. Supermarket, sunscreen. Again, it prompts us. And then say if we weren't sure, or the student wasn't sure, they'd click down there and it would tell them that, there's a better option and they got that one wrong. So then they'd bakery and select the correct item. Done. Okay, so in this one, it's kind of drawing, it's more involving words, so we will be dragging the correct phrase matching up to the correct image that it would correlate to. So bags of rubbish, picnic, and cleanup. Check. Yep. And then you can sub again. So that's the last part. So this game is, so a serious game is basically a game that has been designed with a primary purpose other than just entertainment, and this is what I believe this game has. It includes aspects of literacy skills to the student, and for example, when they're matching the correct terms to the images, and it also allows them to use their critical thinking when making decisions on what best suits for the situation. And again, it provides students with the opportunity to learn from their mistakes with prompts. Thank you.